This morning, Iran's first cabinet meeting after the death of President Ebrahim Reisi. Iran's first vice president leading the meeting next to a framed picture of Reisi.
Who is Iran's new president? In a shocking and unforeseen twist, Iran finds itself at the epicenter of global attention as newly elected President Ebrahim Reisi has suddenly passed away. The nation stands on the brink of uncertainty and political upheaval. Amidst the chaos, a new leader has emerged, Mohammad Mokhber, previously known for a significant role in Iran's economic affairs, is now thrust into the highest office. Mokhber's unexpected rise to power has left the world stunned, with many questioning how his leadership will steer Iran's future. Will Mokhber maintain the hardline stance of his predecessor, or could this be the dawn of a new era in Iranian politics? Mohammad Mokhber was born in the early 1960s in Iran. He grew up during a time of great change in his country, experiencing the 1979 Islamic Revolution as a teenager. This period of turmoil and transformation had a significant impact on his life and career. Mokhber went on to pursue higher education, focusing on economics and business administration. His academic background equipped him with the knowledge and skills to navigate the complex economic landscape of post-revolution Iran. Mokhber started his career in the economic sector, where he quickly made a name for himself as a capable and efficient administrator. His early work involved managing various economic projects and initiatives that aimed to stabilize and grow Iran's economy during challenging times. Over the years, he gained a reputation for his strong ethic and his ability to deliver results even under pressure. As Mokhber's career progressed, he took on more significant roles within the government. He was appointed to various key positions where he oversaw critical economic programs and policies. His expertise and dedication did not go unnoticed, and he became a trusted figure among Iran's top political and economic leaders. One of Mokhber's most notable roles was as the head of execution of Imam Khomeini's Order, or ECO, a powerful organization that manages a vast network of businesses and assets. Under his leadership, ECO expanded its reach and became an essential player in Iran's economy. Mokhber's ability to manage such a large and influential organization demonstrated his skill in economic planning and administration. In addition to his role at ECO, Mokhber held various advisory positions within the government. He was known for his close ties to the supreme leader, Ayatollah Ali Khomeini, and was often consulted on matters of economic policy and strategy. His influence extended beyond economics, as he also played a part in shaping broader government policies. Throughout his career, Mohammad Mokhber led several major initiatives that had a lasting impact on Iran's economy. One of his key contributions was the implementation of policies aimed at reducing Iran's dependence on oil revenue. Recognizing the volatility of the global oil market, Mokhber advocated for diversifying the economy by investing in other sectors such as agriculture, manufacturing, and technology. Mokhber also focused on improving Iran's infrastructure. Under his leadership, numerous projects were launched to enhance transportation networks, build new industrial zones, and upgrade public utilities. These initiatives were designed to boost economic growth and create jobs, thereby improving the overall standard of living for many Iranians. Mohammad Mokhber was widely respected within the government for his pragmatic approach and his ability to get things done. He was known for being a quiet but effective leader, often working behind the scenes to drive important projects and policies forward. His reputation as a problem solver and a strategic thinker made him a valuable asset to the Iranian leadership. Despite his significant influence, Mokhber maintained a relatively low profile compared to some of his more outspoken colleagues. He preferred to let his work speak for itself, focusing on results rather than rhetoric. This approach earned him the trust and confidence of many within the government, including the supreme leader. In summary, Mohammad Mokhber's background and career are marked by his dedication to improving Iran's economic stability and growth. His significant roles in various economic and political spheres, along with his key contributions and policies, have made him a pivotal figure in the Iranian government. As he steps into the role of president, the nation and the world watch closely to see how his leadership will shape the future of Iran. Ebrahim Reisi's sudden death left Iran in a state of shock and confusion. The news of his passing spread quickly, creating a political vacuum and a sense of uncertainty about the future. Reisi has been a significant figure in Iran's political landscape, and his unexpected demise created a power void that needed to be filled urgently to maintain stability. In the immediate aftermath, there was a palpable sense of anxiety among the Iranian populace and political factions. Many wondered who would step in to lead the country, and whether this change would bring new challenges or opportunities. This sudden loss of a president can create significant instability, and Iran was no exception. People were anxious about how this would affect ongoing issues like the economy, international relationships, and domestic policies. The reactions from various political factions within Iran were mixed. Conservative groups, who had largely supported Raisi, expressed deep sorrow and concern about the future direction of the country. They emphasized the need for continuity and stability, urging the government to act quickly to fill the leadership void. Reformist factions, while also expressing condolences, saw this as a potential opportunity for change and possible shifts in policies that could address some of their long-standing grievances. The supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei played a crucial role during this period of uncertainty. In his statement following Raisi's death, he expressed profound grief and praised Raisi's dedication to the Islamic Republic. Khamenei's words were aimed at reassuring the nation and emphasizing the importance of unity during this tumultuous time. The supreme leader also called for a swift and decisive process to appoint a new president, underscoring the need to maintain stability and continuity in governance. The selection process to appoint a new president began almost immediately. Such decisions are often influenced by a combination of legal protocols and the preferences of key decision makers, including the supreme leader and the Guardian Council. Given the urgency of the situation, the process was expedited to ensure that the country did not remain leaderless for long. Several names were considered, but one figure quickly emerged as a front-runner: Mohammad Mokhber. Mokhber's extensive experience in economic management and his close ties to the supreme leader made him a strong candidate. His reputation for being a competent and effective administrator further bolstered his candidacy. Additionally, Mokhber's relatively low public profile and his history of working behind the scenes made him a less polarizing choice, which was crucial for maintaining unity during this critical period. The decision to appoint Mohammad Mokhber as Raisi's successor was influenced by several key factors. His proven track record in managing Iran's economic affairs made him an appealing choice. With the countries facing significant economic challenges, having a leader with a strong background in economics was seen as essential. Mokhber had previously demonstrated his ability to handle complex economic issues, making him a reliable option to navigate the country through its economic difficulties. Secondly, Mokhber's close relationship with the supreme leader was a significant factor. Khamenei's endorsement and support are critical in Iranian politics, and Mokhber's alignment with the supreme leader's vision and policies ensured a smooth transition. This relationship also suggested that Mokhber would continue to uphold the principles and goals of the Islamic Republic, providing a sense of continuity. Iran's new president, Mohammad Mokhber, faces significant challenges following the sudden death of Ebrahim Reisi. Iran's economy struggles with high inflation, unemployment, and the impact of international sanctions. Mokhber aims to stabilize the economy by boosting local industries, reducing dependence on oil, and improving infrastructure. Diplomatically, he will focus on resolving the nuclear issue, seeking sanction relief, and strengthening ties with neighboring countries and regional allies like China, Russia, and India. Balancing Iran's ideological commitments with pragmatic economic and political considerations, Mokhber's leadership will be crucial in navigating these complex challenges for Iran's future. Under President Mohammad Mokhber, potential changes in domestic policies may focus on economic reforms and improving social welfare. Mokhber's stance on human rights and social issues is expected to align with conservative principles, but he may introduce moderate reforms to address public dissatisfaction. His relationship with the military and key institutions is strong, given his previous roles and close ties to the supreme leader. This could lead to stable internal power dynamics. Looking forward, Mokhber's leadership will be pivotal in determining whether Iran will see meaningful progress or face ongoing challenges in its political and economic landscape.